In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar on Squarespace. Navigating Squarespace and utilizing its features efficiently can significantly enhance your website's functionality and user experience. One incredibly useful feature is the Squarespace calendar. Whether you're organizing events, showcasing upcoming product releases, or simply wanting to keep your audience informed about important dates, adding a calendar to your Squarespace site is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, start by visiting the Squarespace website. This is your gateway to managing and editing your website, so ensure you're in the right place. Next, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the login button, a key step to access your dashboard. Once you click on that, Squarespace offers a seamless way to log in using your Google account. Just click on Continue with Google. This method of login not only simplifies the process, but also adds an extra layer of security associated with Google accounts. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the account that's associated with your Squarespace site. This step is crucial for accessing the specific site you want to edit. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website dashboard. You'll find a direct link to your website listed under your Squarespace account. This is where all the magic happens, from editing content to adding new features such as the calendar block. Once you're on your website's dashboard, look for the Edit option. This area is your control room for making any changes to your site, be it design alterations, content updates, or, as we're focusing on today, adding new blocks and features. Now, let's get to the crux of today's task, adding a calendar to your website. Look for the option to Add Block. Squarespace blocks are essentially building blocks for your website, allowing you to add diverse content types seamlessly. Within the blocks menu, navigate through until you find the calendar option. This block is specifically designed to integrate a calendar into your site. The Squarespace calendar block can display events from your Squarespace events page, making it incredibly versatile for various uses. After selecting the calendar block, you'll notice that it automatically gets added to your site. However, for these changes to take effect and become visible to your visitors, you must click on Save. It's a small but crucial step to ensure all your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. And there you have it. Adding a calendar to your Squarespace site is as simple as that. It's a straightforward process, but one that can have a significant impact on how you engage with your audience, organize events, or display important dates related to your business or project. Remember, Squarespace is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to experiment with different blocks and features to find what works best for you and your site. Adding a calendar is just the beginning. Explore, experiment, and make the most out of the incredible tools at your disposal. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to use the calendar on Squarespace. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace website. Keep tinkering, and as always, happy creating.